Hi, this is Glitzy Glam. I'm showing you my kitchen after I organized it with a lot of products from the Dollar Tree. Some of the items were not from Dollar Tree that I already had, but everything I used here are from Dollar Tree. Here is this cabinet here with the labels, the baskets, and as you can see, you can tell what's there. There's my crock pot and some other items there. We're gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you where my canned goods are. Of course, I need to buy some more canned goods. I didn't have room for them. I do a lot of eating out, which isn't great. Here's my spices and the labels again that I bought at Dollar Tree. The little wire racks with those little hooks. Now all the stair wire racks I got at Dollar Tree. Coffee area, coffee and tea up there, extra water bottles, coffee cups, some more on my counter, drinking, and then here's now where I keep my water bottle cup lids, plates, and that's an empty shelf at the bottom. All my baking goods. I have a big basket here to use as a drawer because I don't have enough drawer space, so that's where all that goes. Paper plates. This is all the stuff that I don't use that often for entertaining and baking. And go back up here. My baking shelf looks a lot better, but it's still, you know, I have to use some of this stuff and I don't do a lot of baking, but it's a very full baking basket there. And then my chips and cookbooks. And as you can see though, we're gonna hope to keep the countertops uncluttered because now I have a lot of space in my cabinets and I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. I have my lunchbox and my basket for my bread at the end of the countertop and my purse because I'm ready to go to church. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Glitzy Glam. I'm going to end with a pretty shot here of my coffee station. Thank you for watching.